How to check your ranking in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can look out in which level you are. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this me icon. Simply tap on this me icon. So this is your profile section. Here you'll be able to find different options. Now slowly scroll down. Here there's a section called ranking. Simply tap on ranking. Now all the ranking and the people who are on the top will be displayed here. Here you can see different coins and different rewards that are available. Here on the top there are customization and categories that you can select too. So you can select it, and here on the bottom you can even see your ranking. So you must push it towards the top in order to find yourself in the challenging part or the top ranks. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.